Good morning everyone! This is House Life Videos and for today's vlog ay unbox natin ang nabili nating cookwares from Lazada. For the first item, we have Jeetee White Granite Non-Stick Egg Burger Pan 3-in-1 Multifunctional Kawali Cookware na may size na 18 cm. At ang second item naman, we have Jeetee White Granite Stone Non-Stick Frying Pan with cover na may size na 24 cm. Ay tingnan po natin kung hindi tayo na-scam. And also, I bought these items from a Jeetee mismo, no? Jeetee flagship store during the 11/11 sale. So, let's do the unboxing! At ayan, makikita natin na maganda at maayos yung pagkakapack nila sa items natin. And hopefully, sana ay talagang legit ang mga items na nabili natin from Jeetee. And for those na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, ay mag-subscribe na kayo for more videos like this at sa mga upcoming cooking videos natin. At ayan na nga yung first item natin, ang 3-in-1 Multifunctional Kawali Cookware. And please use wooden or silicone utensils and avoid sharp material with these types of cookwares. So ayan na nga guys, at ito na yung 3-in-1 multifunctional kawali na may size na 18 cm. So, hopefully ay gagana ito sa ating induction stove. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong red silicone dito. Ito yung indicator natin kung heated na ba o hindi pa ang ating pan. At meron siyang wooden handle. Ayan, so I'm excited. Ayos! So, next item naman tayo, ang non-stick frying pan with cover na may size na 24 cm. Mamaya guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung talagang gagana ang mga cookwares na ito sa ating induction stove. Kaya huwag niyong palagpasin ang mga upcoming videos natin dahil meron tayong mga cooking tips, unboxing videos gaya nito. Guys, huwag niyong kalimutang panoorin ang ating next video dahil ipapakita ko sa inyo kung talagang gagana ang mga cookwares na nabili natin from Lazada. So, ito ang kanyang glass cover na may wooden handle. At ito naman ang ating non-stick frying pan na suitable for induction, gas, infrared, and ceramic stoves. So, mukhang matibay ang ating nabiling frying pan from Jeetee and I'm excited to use this mamaya. Kaya abangan nyo guys ang ating susunod na video. Meron din siyang wooden handle gaya ng egg burger pan na nabili natin, with instruction manual para malaman natin kung paano gamitin at paano i-maintain ang frying pan na ito. At ano to? Oh, meron siyang kasamang freebie, isang wooden spatula. Thank you so much Jeetee for this. I'm so happy. Ayos! So please watch our next video for the honest review of these cookwares. Comment down below, like and subscribe to this channel to get a chance to win 20 pesos worth of load sa GCash. 10 lucky winners will be announced on January 22, 2023 at 8 p.m. Please don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much for watching.